Hi everyone, so we are back with our 100 easy English phrases you should start using now. Hope you're applying them and enjoying them. This is the last part presented by me, Harshita Jain. If you like this course, follow me on Unacademy and please rate, review, and recommend the course and the lessons. For any doubts, comment in the Q&A sections. All your questions will be answered. So the 76th, about to. So when you are just on the point to do something, you're just about to begin it. So this is how you use about to. I was about to call you, so I was just on the point to do something. अभी करने ही वाली थी. She was about to leave the office. Okay, better off. So whenever you want to say that you will be in a better situation if you do this, so you use better off, right? I would be better off by selling this old car, right? Carry out, to put something into action. This is really easy, that you want to start something right now. So I'll carry out this project as soon as I get free. So you will do this project as soon as you get free. She carried out the project very well. So this is how you use in the present and the past tense. Deal with, so to take action about something. Very easy, that I'll be dealing with this problem. I will deal this with this later. So you will take action upon this later. So we will deal with this presentation on Monday. We will take action. We will work on this presentation on Monday. Take place, something that happens. The football match took place on the day she wasn't present. The ceremony will take place tomorrow. So you usually use it for events, right? Take advantage of, using something for one's own benefit when you taking benefit of a situation, so you should take advantage of this lesson, right? This is how you use it. So she took advantage of the beautiful place and clicked so many pictures. We must take advantage of her absence in the class. So इस चीज़ का फ़ायदा उठाना चाहिए. Next is get back to. So to go back to something easy. I was really happy to get back to my home after a long time. She was upset that she had to get back to the office. In detail, whenever you want to give explanation to something, so she explained the lesson in detail. I would like to know about the classes in detail. Make sure. So make sure means to confirm something, make it crystal clear. So I'll make sure that he performs well in the test. She must make sure that she looks beautiful today. So she must do it, right? So far, so until now, wait, it is just the same as until now. So far, no one has entered in the dance competition. So abhi tak, right? Okay, abhi tak. Show up, so to be present, to appear, to be present, to arrive. What time did your father show up for the meeting? So what time did your father arrive for the meeting, right? So used to, very 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 much used. So which you were habitual in the past, something that you used to do in the past, right? My friend used to cook on her own, so she used to do, which means कि वो ये काम करती थी, उसे आदत थी ये काम करने की. Next is workout. So something I कि ये हो जाएगा या ये काम होगा. It will put into action. I hope the meeting works out in their favor. I wish everything will work out for my friends. So something hopefully is going to be good. Now point out. She pointed out all my mistakes. It's easy. Okay. Next is in other words, right? इन अदर वर्ड्स मीन्स इन अनदर वे. जब आप किसी चीज़ को हम डेफिनेशन पढ़ते हैं, यूजुअली क्या होता है बुक्स में जो बहुत टफ डेफिनेशन होती है उसके बाद लिखा होता है इन अदर वर्ड्स अकाउंटिंग इज सो 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 सो, इन अदर वर्ड इकोनॉमिक्स इज सो 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 सो. सो दिस इज हाउ इन अदर वर्ड्स इज यूज कि भाई आप डायरेक्ट मीनिंग देते हो, थोड़ा छोटा मीनिंग देते हो. In other words, my work was really appreciated. In other words, you could have done better, right? तो ये डायरेक्टली आप किसी को भी बात बोल रहे हो. In order to, so ये काम करने के लिए ये करना पड़ेगा. In order to finish the work, you must wake up early. Next is in fact, something that you say which is actually true. It is a fact, 100% true है, कोई झूठ ही नहीं है. In fact, I've been to India 4 times. In fact, she is really stubborn. So it is true. Now hold on when you want something to wait, right? So please don't hold on for a minute, she's coming. So usually use in telephonic conversations. Next is go through when you want to ask someone to look upon something, right? So टीचर हमें चैप्टर पढ़ाती थी और कहती थी कि okay, go through the chapter once again, right? This is how we use it. I would like you to go through all the topics. End up when when you decide something but एकदम से वो हो जाता है जो आप प्लान ही नहीं करते, राइट? सो वी एंडेड अप गोइंग टू दैट रेस्टोरेंट. हमने एंड में क्या करना पड़ा, वहाँ जाना पड़ा जो हमने प्लान ही नहीं करा था. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज टेक इट ईजी. सो when you want to when you ask somebody to relax कि भाई chill, relax, so this is how you use take it easy. Don't get panic. Take it easy. This is the easiest form of using take it easy. I don't have my plans for vacations. I will just take it easy. So this is another way of using take it easy. Change one's mind. जब आप कुछ when you want to say that something different should be done, आप कह रहे हो कि भाई कुछ अलग हो, राइट? आपने कुछ और सोच लिया है. आप पहले जो आपने सोचा हुआ था अब आपने उस थॉट को चेंज कर लिया है, राइट? सो आई वॉन्टेड टू ऑप्ट फॉर कॉमर्स बट आई चेंज माई माइंड. मैंने अपना माइंड चेंज कर लिया. रीज़न नहीं देते हो आप, बस ये भी बोल सकते हो. नेक्स्ट इज गिविंग समवन अ हैंड, सो टू हेल्प समबडी, right? So I can't do this on my own, can you give me a hand? Sorry for the full stop, there should be a question mark. So I can't do this on my own, can you give me a hand? So you're asking for help. Very 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 nice innovative way of asking for help. Next is fill in. It's easy to write words in a blank space, so please fill in the form to get your membership confirmed. Fill in, right? This is how you use it. The last is regardless of, so without considering fact. ये सोचा ही नहीं बट ये कर दिया, राइट? आपने उसके लिए रिगार्ड ही नहीं करा, आपने उसको कंसिडर ही नहीं करा. रिगार्डलेस ऑफ द कोल्ड वेदर शी वोर हर फेवरेट ब्लू कॉटन ड्रेस. अब बताओ, ये सोचे बिना कि इतनी ठंड है उसने ब्लू कॉटन ड्रेस पहन ली बिकॉज इट वॉज अ फेवरेट. ओके, रिगार्डलेस ऑफ द मीटिंग ही वेंट टू ऑफिस लेट. ओके, so we are completed with the 100 phrases. If you have any kind of doubts in any, please mention the number in the comment sections. Hope you liked it. Bye bye.